Casey, what's the matter? What? You wanted to clean up the dog poop?
Yeah.
Who cleaned it up? So you're mad because she got to pick up the dog poop? Can you get your fingers out of your mouth? It really means that much to you to clean up dog poop? Why? That doesn't make any sense. Okay, well you can clean up his next poop, I promise, okay?
But she always wants to, and she's trying to be the boss of me.
She's always the boss, huh? But I don't think you guys should be fighting over who gets to pick up nasty dog poop.
Because she says nobody's picking it up until it's only her.
No one's picking it up, only her?
Yeah.
Well, I'm telling you, you can pick up the next dog poop, okay? I will tell that to Lilia, okay?
Okay.
Okay.